Chapter 18 Masterpieces of Art. Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa is one of the most famous paintings in the world, created by Leonardo da Vinci. It features a woman with a mysterious smile, and her eyes seem to follow the viewer. The painting is known for its realistic details and soft shading, a technique called sfumato. The Last Supper. The Last Supper is a mural painting created by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting depicts Jesus and his 12 disciples during their final meal before his crucifixion. It is famous for its composition, showing the moment when Jesus announces that one of his disciples will betray him. The painting is a masterpiece of perspective and emotion. Guernica. Guernica is a powerful painting by Pablo Picasso that shows the horrors of war. It was created in response to the bombing of the town of Guernica during the Spanish Civil War. The painting uses black, white, and grey colors to express pain and suffering. The Starry Night. The Starry Night is one of Vincent van Gogh's most famous works, showing a swirling night sky over a peaceful village. The painting uses bold colors and thick brush strokes, creating a dreamlike and emotional effect. It reflects Van Gogh's feelings and imagination. American Gothic. American Gothic is a well-known painting by Grant Wood, showing a farmer holding a pitchfork next to his daughter. The serious expressions and traditional clothing represent rural American life. The painting has become a symbol of hard-working American values. The Flower Carrier. The Flower Carrier by Diego Rivera shows a man struggling to carry a heavy basket of flowers on his back. The bright colors and simple shapes make the painting visually striking. It represents the hard work of laborers and the struggles of the working class. Girl with a Pearl Earring. Often called the Mona Lisa of the North, Girl with a Pearl Earring is a famous portrait by Johannes Vermeer. It shows a young girl wearing a blue turban and a large pearl earring. The soft lighting and realistic details make it a timeless masterpiece. The Night Watch. The Night Watch is a large and dramatic painting by Rembrandt van Rijn, showing a group of soldiers preparing for action. The use of light and shadow, along with the detailed expressions, makes the painting feel full of movement and life. The Scream. The Scream is an iconic painting by Edvard Munch, showing a figure with a shocked expression against a swirling sky. The painting represents anxiety and fear, using bold colors and wavy lines to create an emotional effect. The Creation of Adam. The Creation of Adam is a famous fresco on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, painted by Michelangelo. It shows God reaching out to touch Adam's hand, symbolizing the creation of life. The painting is one of the most recognized artworks in history. The Persistence of Memory. The Persistence of Memory by Salvador Dali is a surreal painting featuring melting clocks in a dreamlike landscape. It represents the idea that time is fluid and can be distorted, challenging the way we think about reality. Whistler's Mother. Whistler's Mother is a famous portrait by James McNeill Whistler, showing his mother sitting in a chair. The painting is simple but powerful, symbolizing dignity and patience. It is considered one of the greatest American artworks.